Right click on POM, run as Maven test.
Test.
Can you see that something is downloaded, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
And if you observe, every time we are getting irritated with this error, isn't it?
Yes.
Can you see that? We'll fix it permanently. What we will do, we'll add one more plugin for it. We need to add a Maven compiler plugin. What we should add?
Maven compiler plugin.
Okay, I'll take it from the Stack Overflow. Okay, why to waste time? Give me a minute. Not this one. We'll add this one. We'll add this one. Guys, you remember we already added the plugin?
Plugins, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'll just copy this. Okay. So I'll repeat what is happening. Every time when I run it, I'll get a compilation error where it says source option 5 is no longer supported. Use a 7 or later. So I will go to the pom.xml. Right. And if you remember it, we already have one surefire plugin for execution. Before execution, I want to compile. Hence, I'm adding at the beginning of it. Let me save this. Okay, I've added this plugin. Now let me run this. Run as Maven test. Let us see whether the error persists or it will work. Is it coming now?
No, sir.
That error gone, isn't it?
Yes.
Just added the plugin. That's it. Simple. Yes. So we got result as build success.